The National Weather Service in Fulton has issued a tornado warning for the following counties. Fulton, on 11:30 a.m. effective until February 11, 2023. A tornado was spotted roaming 20 miles per hour through northeast of Texas. Your life is in danger. Seek shelter right now and take cover. If no shelter is available, head to the lowest floor of a sturdy building and wait until your local authorities say it's safe to go. Broadcast will resume. This is an update to the previous alert that was issued an hour ago. The National Weather Service issued a